Think you're ready to buy a Garmin? Think again. The wrong choice could cost you hundreds and leave you with a watch that doesn't fit your life. The truth is, in 2025, most people are buying the wrong Garmin. But today, that changes. We've tested every model, analyzed every feature, and we're revealing the only 5 Garmin watches actually worth your money this year. We're not just listing them. We're ranking them. And by the end of this, you'll know exactly which one is the perfect key to unlocking your potential. Let's find your watch. Starting at number 1. Garmin Fēnix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar Smartwatch. Most modes and features. For riders who require lots of data on the fly, the Fēnix watch line represents Garmin's efforts to pack as much functionality into one device as possible. This watch features 11 different cycling modes that can measure trail grittiness, e-bike battery levels, and subsequent range estimates. And that's only a few metrics it logs. Another helpful perk for riders who take day-long adventures, this watch face features built-in solar panels, providing you with a few more hours of juice just from being out on a sunny day. Fēnix 7 Pro Sapphire Solar is the ultimate multi-sport GPS designed to perform all day, every day. Get weeks of battery life with a scratch-resistant Power Sapphire Solar charging lens. Meet any challenge with advanced training features such as Hill Score, which measures your climbing performance over time, and real-time stamina updates to gauge your stamina potential. For a more complete picture of your health, training, and recovery, tap into 24/7 health and wellness monitoring with advanced sleep tracking, HRV status, pulse ox, and more. This is not a medical device, and data presented is intended to be a close estimation of metrics tracked. Pulse ox not available in all countries. When the sun sets, use the LED flashlight to stay visible or find your way. Navigate with preloaded topoactive maps and ski resort maps. Download even more regions for global adventures. Adventure far off the grid with up to 22 days of battery life in smartwatch mode with solar charging and 3 hours of direct sunlight, 50,000 lux, per day. Number 2. Garmin Venu 3 Smartwatch. Best for everyday wear. The Venu 4, with a brighter display, multi-band GPS, and built-in flashlight, supersedes the Venu 3. However, at $550, it's a bit pricier than the trusted 3. The Venu's sleek, not too techy profile allows you to maximize your smartwatch mileage, both during workouts and as an everyday extension of your smartphone. The Venu and the more compact Venu X1 are Garmin's response to the popular Apple Watch. Both prioritize general smartwatch functionality over fitness tracking, but there's still plenty of processing power. That makes the Venu great for all-day wear, both on and off the bike. This watch sacrifices some ruggedness in exchange for those good looks. Yet it still features a 2-week battery life, the same as several Forerunners, accurate heart rate tracking, and as reliable a GPS signal as you'll ever need. Number 3. Garmin Enduro 3. Best for athletes who do it all. What happens when you take the top-shelf performance of the Fēnix and re-optimize it for maximum battery life? You get the Enduro 3, a similarly high-caliber solar watch that can last a staggering 36 days in smartwatch mode and up to 150 hours in GPS mode. It's perfect for long bikepacking outings to places lacking spots to recharge. At 51 mm, the watch face is large but surprisingly unobtrusive. It feels light, 63 grams, and comfortable on the wrist, even during long rides. The Velcro strap may not win style points off the bike, but it's incredibly functional. It allows for a perfectly snug fit. Unlike traditional watch bands, frequently, one loop is too tight and the next is too loose. The Enduro also has a sleeker profile than many premium smartwatches, with fewer sharp edges and oversized buttons. And the feature I didn't know I needed, but now can't live without, is the built-in flashlight. It works very well and is unexpectedly useful in everyday situations. Number 4. Garmin Forerunner 970 Smartwatch. Best for triathletes. Finding a way to efficiently and effectively track 3 back-to-back activities has been a long-time annoyance for data-hungry triathletes. The 970's Triathlon mode gives multi-sport athletes the freedom to swap between workouts without ending their activity. Simply tap the lap button at the start and end of each transition. The 970's 5-atmosphere water pressure rating, 5 times the standard above water air pressure, allows users to submerge the device in water up to 50 meters deep without damaging it. So, you're free to wear this watch in the pool as you churn out training laps. For performance-driven runners, there's Forerunner 970, the premium GPS running and triathlon smartwatch with our brightest AMOLED display, durable sapphire lens and lightweight titanium bezel. Use the built-in LED flashlight for greater awareness when you head out before the sun's up or stay out past dark. Understand your overall energy efficiency with running economy, and see how much you are slowing down when your foot hits the ground with step speed loss. HRM 600 monitor required, sold separately. Running tolerance helps you understand the real impact running has on your body so you can adjust your training to avoid overload and improve. Use multi-band GPS in full color, built-in maps plus navigation enhancements to stay on track while you train. Forerunner 970 is ready to go as long as you are, with up to 15 days of battery life in smartwatch mode. Number 5. Garmin Forerunner 255 Music. Garmin markets the Forerunner 255 Music as a running watch, but that label doesn't do it justice. It's a true multi-sport smartwatch, built to support a wide range of activities, including multiple cycling disciplines, and it connects to ANT Plus and Bluetooth sensors for more detailed ride data, if you want to dig deeper. As the name suggests, it includes 4 GB of onboard storage for music. This means you can leave your phone behind but still have your playlist. It also features an altimeter, barometer, compass, ABC sensors, a pulse oximeter, and advanced tracking tools, making it capable in almost any scenario. The Forerunner 255 is more watch than most people will ever need, which is why a 200 series is our go-to recommendation when someone asks which GPS watch to buy. Run at a higher level with the Forerunner 255 smartwatch. These running smartwatches help you train and recover smarter with training status, running power, multi-band GPS and daily suggested workouts that adapt to your performance and goals. Plus, other new features, such as Race Widget, help you plan your race day strategy. And there you have it. The definitive list to cut through the noise and find the Garmin that was built for you. No more confusion, just clarity. Ready to make your move? All the direct links to check the latest prices and buy these exact watches are in the description below. I've done the research, you just have to click. If this video saved you time, money, and confusion, please give it a thumbs up, it truly helps support this channel. Share this with a friend who's stuck deciding on their next watch. And if you want this level of clarity on all your tech purchases, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. Thanks for watching. Now go conquer your day. I'll see you in the next one.